BJT, understanding transistors. Transistors are the building blocks of modern electronics. The two most common types are BJT and MOSFET. Bipolar junction transistor, BJT, terminals are emitter, base, and collector. It's a current-controlled device. Types include NPN and PNP. The current control equation is IC approximately beta times IB. Metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, MOSFET. Terminals include gate, drain, and source. It's a voltage-controlled device with high input impedance. Voltage at the gate forms an electric field channel. BJT, MOSFET, current controlled, lower input impedance, higher power consumption. Voltage controlled, very high input impedance, faster switching speed. Applications: BJT used in amplifiers. MOSFET used in SMPS, power circuits, and microprocessors. BJT controls with current. MOSFET controls with voltage.